Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how do you create a digital product mockup. So this mockup, you can use it for whether for your website or you can use it in your social media posts. So what happens, for example, like you might have an ebook, right? Or maybe you might have like a digital course. So you want to put them in like a nice mockup of PC, the book, or in CD or whatsoever. So today I'm going to show you this free software that you can use to do the mockup. Well, if you are new to this channel talks a lot about digital marketing and how to grow your digital marketing business, entrepreneurship, etc. And if you like this kind of topics, do subscribe to my channel and to support this channel, to help this channel grow so that I can keep producing content like this. And without further ado, let me go to my computer and show you what is that software. So the mockup that I'm going to suggest to do will look something like this. So this is something that I created, just designed using Canva, and I put this up and it looks professional. You can put this in your website, into your social media. So let me just go show you which software that I used to do it. But before that, I will introduce you to Canva. Well, Canva has been one of the easiest design tool that you can use. So let's just go to Canva. So for Canva, I designed this main cover as well that to be used. For example, you have a digital course and you want to make a front cover, you can just create using Canva. You want the ebook, you can create using Canva. I already extract things out. You can see here, okay? And then you can get the frame as well. You can do something like this. But using Canva, so what you can do is you go to Elements, then you search for like frames, computer frames, or they don't have ebook frame. So ebook frame, you have to be a bit creative in doing it. So you just have to use computer frame first for now. You just use the computer frame, just put it in, right? And then you just get any photos. So I already uploaded the photo, just pull it here and drag it here, and then it's there, right? If you want to crop it, just double click and then you will put it there. Yeah, so it looks great. Maybe for this we use a mobile frame, phone. Yeah, so you can use this phone frame, sorry. Just drag it here, put it here. You can resize it to smaller a bit, right? Because phone is smaller than laptop, obviously. And then you can just take the photos and put it here. There. This itself looks quite like a legit mockup, right? Mockup that you can use, right? But the only thing is Canva is that if you want to download this, you want to download like transparent background, it's not available for now, unless you do the pro version. So mine's not pro version. Let's just download this and then we put it into it's quite easy to remove the background. So you just have to download this. And then you use this software called remove.bg. So this remove.bg is a software that you can remove background. You just have to drag this here. The background is removed. You download it, and you see this is how it looks like with the background removed, and it can easily be used anywhere already. So it's as simple as that. If you want to change the color, just click on it. You see there's a few colors. You want to change all black, I'll just change all black, then it becomes clearer, because as you can see, it's pretty hard to see because the letter is actually quite here, but if you put in a dark background, you can see. So this is for Canva. So it's quite straightforward using Canva, just that the design is a bit more limited. If you use the pro version, there's more things you can do. You can download immediately with a transparent background. If not, you can just go to remove background to do it. So another software that I used to do is called Smartmockups. So the Smartmockups is a software that I used to create this. So it's very simple to use. This is also a transparent background one. So you can see that create stunning product mockups and make great keynote. So this is all free. You can use it. Of course, if you want like a more premium design, you have to pay. But there's nothing wrong for you to go to try for free. That design was done by free. So you can know that there's a lot of things that you can done here. So just go through the price. So this is the premium price, your one user account, you have most of the mockups, your new mockup, URL screenshot, etc. So you can go through the pricing that you like. But if you just want it to be as basic as you can just use the free version, right? So this is the example. I will log into my account and you can see There's many things that you can put, right? You can just browse all. You can even separate to free, premium. You see, even free also, there's a few things. This is the one that I use just now. So you can see there's a lot of things you can do, right? Phone itself, phone with laptop. Now let's just check a few, right? So there's technology. You can put only smartphones. For all, just click free, then you can see. You can get all this. This is pretty nice design that you can immediately put it in and use for your own project, right? Multiple devices, e-learning bundles. A lot of people like to use the e-learning bundles, but of course the paid one, you got more things. The free version you can only do like what I've shown, but it's already good enough. Even print as well. If you have a nice business card that you design that you want to use it, even for like packaging, apparel, even t-shirts, right? If you have the free one, yeah, it's pretty legit design that you can put it in, right? Social media. So this is a pretty good things to put. For example, like brochure, magazine and books. So for example, like ebook, you get the free version, but of course the free version for the books is not that appealing, but still a good overall thing to have, since that it's free. If you paid, of course you can do more things. You look better in terms of design, etc., right? But now let's just go to since this is a mock-up for a digital product, you just have to go to, for example, e-learning bundles, the one that I use. So if you want to pay, you can get all these, which is quite a good package to have as well. So you just use free one, double click on it. As you can see, yeah, there's many things you can put. So I upload this from, okay, you can link this to Canva as well. As you can see, mine is actually, I'm not linked to Canva yet, but you can link to Canva. So you can directly get the pictures from Canva as well. But let's just upload image. I think it's faster on computer. Double click, adjust to the place that you like, then crop, continue. Same as this. The book cover, upload from. I just upload this book, and it's there. And then the CD, you may create a special CD design in Canva, just something round. It's up to you, but I'll just use this for now. Crop and continue. There, right in the middle with the line. Then I just download. Download it as a few quality. There, and there you have it. And it's transparent background, so you can use it in all your website. You can put anything at the background. It's beautiful. So this is a software that I found very interesting for all digital products. Where you have your own digital products, you want to sell them, put in a landing page. This is a good software to use. Smartmockups. You can get all the link at the description box below. Yeah. Well, welcome back, and that's it. I hope that you like what I shared today. It's a good software that I've been using for a while now to do those kind of mock-up for my clients, and yeah, hope that it's useful for you too. So if you like my video, do like this video, and if you find this useful and you want to see more of this kind of content, do subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it, to help this little channel grow to something more, so that I can help more people by producing more content like this. So thank you for watching, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.